Alright, hey hallycats, so I'm back with another video, and this one is something that I haven't done before actually. So in light of Stranger Things being released, the season 3, I decided to make a Stranger Things cake. So I will be starting doing that right now, and you guys will see me making it. Alright guys, we're gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. Okay, so now that we have the cake in the oven, we are going to make the frosting, which is going to be a vanilla buttercream frosting. Alright, so our frosting is done, so now we're just going to wait for the cake to exit the oven, cool off, and then we'll frost it. So I'll be back with you guys when we frost it.
Alright, so we're going to frost this now, but my camera died, so I'm using my iPhone.
Cards all folding, the saints we see are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all, and the bloods run stale. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we greed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons
making this cake. It's so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. I love it. I love Stranger Things. It's my favorite show. So hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, Hallycats.